So this is how you can add audio in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today, you will learn how to add audio in your videos. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Let's start by opening CapCut. Now, just add a video so that you can make a project and then tap on Add Audio. You can choose sounds from the sounds that they provide or you can add your own. Just simply add a video that has the music that you want to add and then tap on it. Now, scroll along until you can find Extract Audio. Simply tap on that and the audio will be extracted. Now, you can overlay it with another video so you can have background music, this background music, as that video's background music. So basically, you can take audio from other videos and then put them with another video so that you can have background music. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.